Home HVAC Services Group provides professional AC maintenance services in Phoenixville, PA, helping homeowners keep their cooling systems running efficiently throughout the hottest months of the year. Our AC maintenance service provides comprehensive AC tune-ups that include inspecting critical components, cleaning coils, checking refrigerant levels, testing system performance, replacing air filters, and identifying potential issues before they become costly repairs. Call our AC maintenance if you have any questions. Are you looking for AC maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services Group. What is included in an AC maintenance service? A typical AC maintenance visit includes inspecting system components, cleaning condenser and evaporator coils, checking refrigerant levels, replacing or cleaning air filters, testing electrical connections, lubricating moving parts, and ensuring the system is operating safely and efficiently. Is AC maintenance worth the cost? Absolutely. Investing in regular AC maintenance can save money over time by improving efficiency, reducing repair costs, extending equipment lifespan, and helping avoid premature system replacement. What is your service area for the Phoenixville, Pennsylvania service office? Our AC maintenance has served Phoenixville, Montclair, Wayhill, Bertrandville, Kimberton, Oaks, Arcola, Royersford, Valley Forge, Wilbourn Acres, Spring City, Chesterbrook, Parker Ford, Abbey Downs, Audubon, Pennsylvania. Where is your Phoenixville, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 710 Wheatland Street, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania 19460. Our phone number is 610-601-6106. Visit our website, www.homehvacservicesgroup.com/location/Phoenixville-PA.